Good morning, everyone. Well, I'm out here with the children. They're all hungry. Well, hello. They're all hungry. So I've got a few things to show you this morning. We caught one of the coons, and as you can see, it is a very young coon. Hello, Skinky. So we caught one, and this being a baby, I'm pretty sure we have mama and maybe another couple babies. So one down, several to go. Okay, so before I feed all of these crazy birds in my garden, which is actually, the tomatoes are doing very, very well. I did get a tomato night before last. I've got some peppers. My compost is looking really good. Cucumbers working really well. Some tomatoes down there. However, I told you I was going to be working my soil mostly, and that's what I'm doing. So I'm excited about next year's garden. And I've got some great tomatoes over there. Anyway, I'm going to show you what is in the fridge, and some of this got wiped off on the way out here. I went ahead and made pulled pork, chicken salad. I made some breakfast burritos, sausage biscuits, little peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. We also have beer taters, slaw, side salads, watermelon grapes, pudding, banana muffins. There is pepperoni and cheese in there, veggies and dip if needed. So that is all in the fridge. So the fridge is stocked. I am going to get back to that probably today, and I'll show you what I have done so far. Okay, so the next meals, these three meats came from the pantry. The Kung Pao ribs, they did give us a slab of ribs. And a few weeks ago, I got the Kung Pao sauce. I'm going to do coconut noodles with shrimp and vegetables. I'm going to do a steak fajita with bean dip and chips, sesame ginger chicken with fried rice. So that is next on the list. Okay. Are you all hungry? Oh, look at you in my garden. You all just, oh. We'll have a fence next year. Yes, we will. And I am getting ready to start my seeds for my fall garden. And my kale is already ready to plant. And then we'll start our fall gardening. What else? Let's see here. Lotus is looking okay. The coon attack on her bill left it cracked, and she's inside her little building right now. So there she is. She is up and about, and we'll get them fed here in just a little bit. I did not fill their big pool back up because I don't want her straining herself, but I did give them their little pool back. So there you go. Are you all hungry or what? I grabbed the bucket without the handle on it. Yeah, because we had some leftovers from yesterday. So yeah. All right, guys. Okay. Oh my goodness. All right. So I'm just going to tell you what I fed them. Let you watch them. Just love what I give them. I'll portion it out here after the video. But it is 8 cans of soup. There's chunky soups in there and Progresso soups in there that I got very, very cheap. They were expired. The cans were a little rusty. So these were pull-outs from the pantry. And I used oatmeal as the binder for all of the soup liquid. So that's what they're chowing on right now. And I'm going to tell you, feeding your chickens out of your pantry, look at them. And Frazzle can eat it. She's real excited. She loves to get the food that she can eat. Y'all have a great day. Hugs from a distance. Cook out of that pantry. You can make some great meals, desserts, so on and so forth. Bye, y'all.